Hi guys, Chris again here. I'm with Mary Ellen again. We also wanted to show you an additional spot that we've prepared. Mary Ellen, tell us where we're at and what's going on here.
Yeah, so right now we're on the 3rd floor of the hospital building in Vail, and this is the Vail Valley Surgery Center. So typically this is used for all those orthopedic surgeries that happen on a regular basis here, but right now we're turning it into a potential overflow area in case we need it. And as you can see, we've got a lot of space ready to go, and we're starting to bring in supplies to make sure that we're prepared in case we get more patients up here.
Yeah, and so again, with the folks that are watching this video, the message is we're really prepared. Probably too much capacity at this part. Again, we only have 7 COVID patients in our hospital. They're all on the 2nd floor. They're getting great care. Everything is fine. But we've gone a couple steps ahead to make sure we have that surge capacity. Talk a little bit about how this big system of Howard Head, VVSC, Vail Health, CMM are all working together and how it allows us to do these things.
There's been a ton of collaboration from all of those different entities to make sure that we are supporting our community in the best way possible. So the hospital has reworked a lot of their spaces on the 2nd floor to make sure that we have extra capacity and extra COVID outfitted rooms. In addition, we've worked with the surgery center to make sure that we can also use this space as it's most close to where all the doctors and nurses and the medical providers are going to be. So it makes it easier on our staffing capabilities if we use the spaces within the hospital. So that's why we're up here. That's also why we've looked at Howard Head space downstairs, and even the conference center spaces downstairs below on the basement floor have also been outfitted to provide overflow if we get to that level.
Yeah, and so in this community, as you hear maybe in the Front Range or you've seen in New York or California, they're talking about converting hotels into hospitals or fairgrounds or bringing big ships in. Obviously, we can't bring a ship in here, but we're not going to do that in this community. We have the capacity right here in this building, right here in our hospital. We have a ton of capacity today on the 2nd floor where we treat our patients every single day. We showed you a video of what Howard Head has been able to do on the 1st floor, and now we're showing you another facility up here where we can take an additional 25 patients. Yeah. So we are in great shape, and we hope it stays that way, but that's the reason for this video, is to really show folks we're thinking weeks and months down the line to make sure there's no issues for this community.
Absolutely.
Did I miss anything, Marilyn?
Just one thing that I think is of interesting note, if we add up all those spaces we talked about, we've essentially tripled the ability for this hospital to take in COVID patients.
Yeah, that's a great message to leave on. Yeah. Thank you guys.